Okay, here we are, Module 5 now. We're going to talk a little bit about introducing change. Big challenge. Most of us don't like change. We like the status quo. We don't want to rock the boat. So we're going to look at a model that's used for change, developed by a fellow at Harvard named John Cotter, who has been very effective in both promoting this idea and actually executing change. And there are 8 steps to this process, and I'll quickly walk through these with you just to orient you a little bit to this module. When you think about your case study, think about how you, as a consultant, are going in to talk with the principal, with the leader, with the person who's in charge, the owner, to say to them, I want to introduce change that is going to transform and improve your organization. Using, in this case, balanced scorecard, okay? So we have 8 steps, very straightforward. First, we want to create a sense of urgency, a sense that we have to do this. The second is a coalition. And by the way, urgency is also based on the intensity of the problem that we're trying to solve. We want to build a winning coalition, people who are going to be on board, who are going to support us in the process. Once that coalition is formed, we need to have a vision. Where are we going to go? What is it that we want to accomplish? And that process of creating the vision is a huge part of ensuring that this is going to be a successful experience. Communicate that vision to the rest of the organization. And this can be used at a community level, but within the organization, think about key players who can be a part of this whole process. Step number 5 is empowerment. You can do this. You can be a part of this. And giving people that sense of responsibility is key. We want to focus on short-term wins. What have we accomplished? What else can we accomplish? Reward people for the accomplishments. Try and consolidate. Oops, I missed a syllable here. This should read, excuse me one second. This should read consolidation. Consolidation is taking what you've accomplished so far and making it a part of the organization's fabric, of the culture. Okay? And then finally, institutionalizing it is where you want to make sure that in the long term, what you have accomplished through balanced scorecards becomes a part of the focus of the organization. Efficiency, effectiveness, a learning organization, a dynamic organization. So hopefully that gets you ready a little bit. Now start thinking about your case study, which is coming up, and in the next session, we'll start talking about that. See you next week.